Hi scholars, today we are going to be registering for the online textbook. I am already in my own course, the Texas History course on Schoology. So you'll need to log into Schoology, go to the Go page, and scroll down all the way to the bottom. The McGraw-Hill Connect Ed is what we're registering for. That's our online textbook. I have a short link in here for you, a quick link for you actually, and we'll use that in a bit. First, however, I want you to go to your lessons for this week. Scroll down to your Thursday lessons and click on Practice It, online textbook registration link and instructions. In here, you're going to find the embedded online instructions. These are step-by-step instructions, okay? Starts with a letter that says, Dear Student. I want you to read through that and take a look. I'm going to highlight some of the most important parts of this letter. The redemption code is extremely important for registration because this will get you into the correct section of the online textbook. What you need to do, or what I suggest that you do, is open this information in a different link, okay, which I've provided for you right here, or a different tab, rather, not a link. I've provided it for you right here. It's highlighted in blue. It's called the Online Textbook Registration Detailed Instructions. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up a whole new page for you. Okay, with this whole new page, it has the same exact information that I've already embedded into Schoology for you. It's the letter along with the redemption code. What you should do is copy the redemption code. You've copied the redemption code. Go ahead and click on this link right here. It's highlighted in blue. It's going to take you directly to the login page. Okay, your login page should look a lot like this, except for mine is already populated because it recognizes that I've logged into this before. Okay, so under the email, you will put your 1000 number, whatever that may be, at csisd.org. Okay, go ahead and put that in there. And you will create a password, okay? My suggestion to you is to create a password that's memorable. Student 1 is an easy password, but please don't use that because I just set it to everybody. You may use a passcode that you regularly log in to the computer with using your student ID, or I'm sorry, your student email, okay? So put that password in, all right? It's going to ask you to go through a few more steps than I can actually show you because I have the teacher account. All right. After you log in, there will be a spot to input your redemption code. So all you do is double click and you will paste, okay? So pretend like this is the redemption code. You will paste your redemption code right into there, all right? And that redemption code will allow you to access the online class that I have created for you guys, okay? If you have any trouble at all, at the bottom of this page right here, let me get back there. The bottom of this page, there is a technical assistance phone number, and there's a request form right here, okay? I cannot provide complete technical assistance for online registration for the textbook, only because I don't control that. I can just give you the access information. But if you truly do have a technical issue, you can contact the McGraw-Hill Education Department, Technical Department, through this phone number, or you can click here for support requests. Now that you have this information, give it a try and sign up for our online McGraw-Hill Education textbook through the link using the redemption code.